strategy would be to watch Varun sir's lectures in order. Then I would read the notes within the LMS, and then I would practice MCQs. Then I would watch the lectures again from the start because each one has different learning tactic, and I personally prefer repeating until it's registered in your mind. Hi everyone, I'm Maheshwar. I'm based out of Mumbai, and I've been pursuing ACCA, which is an UKCA basically, and I'm involved in UK accounting primarily. What prompted me to pursue CMA would be my passion for management accounting as it relates to performance and performance benchmarks. So it prompted me to pursue CMA, and as you all know, Miles Education has been pioneer in CMA education for past a decade. So that's how I am here. Varun's lectures are crisp, and you know how each tutor has their own USP, they have their own specialty. And Varun sir, his concepts, his acronyms, especially drive the concepts to the home. You know, you never forget that acronym once you learn from him. And he also makes efforts to make it or two aspects. On one, to make it more visually appealing. You know, if he's explaining costing, he takes out the bottle and shows out the different parts of the bottle to explain how the costing is applied to it. And when it comes to the second part is the commercial acumen. So if that's a particular matrix, he connects it with the real world business, practical examples like Apple and their different products and how it relates to this concept. So with that, Varun sir's lectures have been I would say, people would say his lectures are the cornerstone. I would say it's the centerpiece of CME. I'm assuming you are part of Miles already. So they have a fixed academic plan to follow through, and they have the live lectures, especially. A lot of peer-to-peer learning happens in those live lectures, so please don't miss them. I would say just practice MCQs, practice the mocks, follow the Miles notes, follow the acronyms. Like Varun has thought, like each of the acronyms are so thoughtful behind them, so much thought goes behind them that it's better to just follow them. So yeah, that would be my CMA matlab Miles.